jesscateyeSQUAD. Today we're going to show you 3 really cool sciencey tricks that you can do right now at your house. You probably have all the stuff you need. Let's get on to the first one. All you need is one bag and a microwave. Okay, so what you could always use a plate or something to flatten it out because it's kind of gonna wrinkle. So you don't need to use a plate, but I would recommend it. So let me grab a plate real quick. Okay, so I got my plate. So what we're gonna do is open up the microwave. Flatten out your bag. Yeah, right there. What you can do is you can use your plate to kind of keep it flat. And we'll just see the magic happen. Turn it on for 30 seconds.
Well, it could be kind of dangerous. Don't microwave.
Okay, we'll take it out and you'll see what it looks like.
Don't microwave it for too long. Just microwave it till you see it shrink.
Okay, that's a bag of chips.
A very small bag of chips.
So just
make sure you use a towel, guys. It will be really hot for a minute or two.
So tiny.
then it'll be good enough to hold in your bare hands. It'll harden. This one we didn't use a plate, so it kind of came out wrinkled. This one's gonna be extra good, and I'm probably gonna hang this up on my wall in my room. So yeah, let's move on to like the sciencey.
For this trick number 2, you're gonna be needing scissors, fire. Make sure you have an adult to light it up on fire. Tea bag and a plate.
So now it is actually good enough to hold, and you can see you can actually read everything. You can read all the nutrition facts still. Yeah, it's so easy. Not supervision for the next one.
What you need to do with the tea bag, cut the end. And make sure you have the, like the papery one. Some tea bags are made out of mesh.
And this one's made out of paper, so it has to be the paper one to make it work. So you empty out the tea. If you don't want to waste the tea, you can always still use that tea.
But my mom hates this tea. So what you want to do is just put your fingers inside and make sure it turns into a circle.
Like a nice tube. Okay, you set it down carefully to make it balance. And the next
one, get
a little
parent.
Yes, make sure you have a parent permission or parent standing by anytime you do a fire, kids.
And make sure you stand a little back.
Yes. Okay, let's see what happens.
Just watch it.
That's our baby sister.
Just keep watching.
It's almost there. It's almost there. It's flying.
No! Don't touch your ceiling.
And there it goes. That's how you make a tea bag.
It's not hot.
Tea bag rocket.
Let me see what it turned into.
It turns into a set.
And you just throw that away.
Yep, it just makes your fingers all black.
Okay, this is experiment number 3. You need milk, soap, and food coloring. The more food coloring you have, the better. We just have red, so we're going to try to make a pattern on top of the milk and see what happens when we add the soap. Okay, so we poured the milk in the bowl. And now it's time to add some drops of food color. And keep it in one spot or so. Don't mix it up. There we go. Now let's just see what will happen when we add a drop of food color right in the center.
Sure, not tricky.
And try to get in the center. Okay. So here we go. We're gonna try to drop it down the center. And that's what we call the blooming flowers. It happens so fast. And it's really beautiful when you have more colors in there. You can also take a piece of paper and place it flat. And now if you let it dry, you'll have paper with a beautiful pattern on it. This one didn't pick up too much color.